Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today I'm gonna cook really one of my favorite pastas. It's so simple, so easy, and it's really healthy, even for diabetic people. It's a zucchini pasta. Simple ingredients: olive oil, onions, wings, garlic. I have here some sliced zucchini. I've mentioned a secret I do before, is after I slice it, I put it under the sun, cover it with a linen cloth, put it under the sunlight, and that actually helps evaporate the water that's in the zucchini. And when you cook it, it just won't squish and become a pile of mush. If you notice, I've let the onions and the zucchini to brown a bit, and this is actually what's going to give that really nice flavor I like in this pasta. Check the salt, and then it's ready. Fresh basil and a little bit of chili flakes. And now the pasta. I pre-cooked this because of speed, and I cooked it to al dente. I have here wholemeal pasta. It's healthier than regular pasta, and if you're diabetic, I really recommend you do cook wholemeal pasta. It's done. A little bit of Parmesan cheese, and that's it. Ready. It does not get any simpler than this. It's just so wholesome and delicious, and really literally like what, 5 ingredients and 15 minutes. This is what I call healthy, easy and quick. Enjoy.